Direct parang I'm not sure pero I feel like hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. It feels like parang may sama ka na loob.
Ang maganda kasi, alam mo itong mundo natin, mas gaganda kung lahat ng tao marunong mag-sorry.
Parang hindi ko naman deserve to be out there, to be heard.
You give way to each other. Mutual respect. Importante yun sa partnership eh. Kasi
looking back lang din, parang there's a lot of times that I doubted myself na sinasabi ko, may isang tao lang magtiwala. I kept repeating that question in my mind. May isang tao lang magtiwala.
naalala mo, Bray, it started with the one phone call.
Would you want to start a podcast? Kasi nakita ko nagpa-podcast ka eh.
Mukhang maganda yan, Derek ah. Ano bang pangalan ng podcast na yan?
I was thinking of Life Over Whiskey. Life Over Whiskey. Life Over Whiskey. Life Over Whiskey.
Life Over Whiskey.
The host of this event or the host of Life Over Whiskey, Gerald and Brian.
But at that point, parang sabi ko, it's a good idea. You planted that seed na Life Over Whiskey was the concept na naisip ni Derek. Sabi ko, that's a unique concept. Immediately after that, dami ko nang nasulat na potential intro or script spiros for the podcast.
Yes.
Kung ano narinig niya ever since na sinasabi ko, yun literally yung sinabi ko sa akin, Derek, ito. So dami naming iterations.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of things that has happened already.